How to create a new project in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive on your computer. Once the application is launched, go to the top menu and click on File, then select New to start a new project. A dialog box will appear where you can choose your project folder and set your desired video settings such as resolution and frame rate. You can select from presets like 1080p, 30fps, 720p, 60fps, or other options depending on your project requirements. There are also additional options like enabling proxy, guides, and metadata based on your editing needs. After selecting all the settings, click OK to open a fresh workspace for your new video project. Now you can start importing media files, editing your timeline, and building your video. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new project in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.